Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to import customized paper templates into your favorite app GoodNotes. So before starting, make sure that you have got all the paper templates downloaded online, like I have in my Dropbox folder over here. As you can see, if I go to the file section, I have got a folder over here that's called GoodNotes templates. I'll tap on it and you can see there are so many paper templates. I've got some A4 dark plain paper, A4 dark square paper, A4 white square summary papers, cover templates as well. There's so many cover templates and some paper templates, so I can choose from any of these. So what I'll do now is I'll go to the GoodNotes app and I'll tap here over here the new section. I'll tap on it. I'll tap on import and I'll choose my desired folder, that is GoodNotes templates. I'll choose the third one, A4 white square paper. I'll tap on it, so it will get downloaded soon. And here you see, that's so simple. So guys, if you liked it, please hit like and share.